Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
14 of these black spots have automatically dissolved. Those risky turnings and curves are not there. There are 10 spots which need rectification, which the departments are doing their bit to see that even those are resolved. I have said to identify wherever it is not possible to widen the roads, we should have flyovers. This should happen in advance. As per the new Motor Vehicle Act, asa minimum of the minimum. जे आमकां आतां त्यांनी leverage आमकां दिला 1,000 to 5,000. What the state feels certain offences will be committed time and again. We will keep it to the minimum. So we don't want to tax the citizen and चोडीत आमकां कोणाक चुकोन सुद्दां त्रास दिवपाक नाका. हेजो हेतू एकूच. You don't break the law, you don't pay the fine. You observe safety, you are safe, your family is safe. Committee activate कर म्हणला to educate people on traffic rules.
So one of the major things that has been decided and unanimously resolved is first of all to get the Motor Vehicle Act implemented at the earliest, because not having something creates ambiguity in the minds of the people. So this is the first point. Second point that we have stressed very much is that, as you know, concern about roads is very high in Goa. So this meeting has resolved the road engineering cell of PWD has to work closely with NHAI to make projections of what will be the future. Very important campaign we are proposing now is wearing the seat belt in the rear seat. आज जे accident गोंयांत जाता लोक पळयना फाटली सीट बेल्ट जे गाडयेन आसा ते घालना म्हणून लोक मरता आता.